Right, it is Monday, January 24th, 2022. I'm working on inking and or coloring the first of the 8 allegorical sea monsters. Some of them are drawn entirely from my imagination. Others were inspired by photos. For example, this fish here, needle sharp teeth of the dragon moray eel. Offensive weapons added to an effective camouflage of broken stripes. By day it lies coiled in a hole in rock or coral. At night it strikes at unsuspecting fishes. Alright, I'm not going to do this realistically as it looks there. I'm doing it interpretively. This book is from Life Age Library, The Fishes. I forget where I bought this, in a used bookstore somewhere, maybe Goodwill. Published 1963-64, back when I was 13, 14 years of age. Whoosh, time flies. Okay. Using this watercolor tin I bought at the University bookstore a couple years ago or so. Orange. Budgies and I are listening to an album by the late Natalie Cole. Wonderful album. Alright, to be continued. This is on the upper left of the drawing here. Thanks, Budgies. Good background accompaniment there to the late, beautiful singer Natalie Cole.